Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Podcast, the show where we help you practice real English for real life. I'm Anna, and today we'll talk about a very useful topic, how to speak on the phone in English.
Hi guys, I'm Lisa. You know, many students tell me they feel nervous when they have to make a phone call in English. No video, no body language, just your voice. It's not easy.
Exactly. But don't worry, after today's episode, you'll know exactly what to say from the first hello to the final goodbye. We'll teach you how to start a call, how to ask for someone, how to leave a message, how to understand and repeat, and how to end politely.
So get ready to repeat, learn, and practice with us. Let's start.
Let's start from the beginning. How do you answer or start a call in English? We say simply hello or hi.
Right. And if it's a formal call, add your name. Hello, this is Lisa speaking. Or, good morning. This is Anna from ABC Company.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. Hello, this is Anna. Good afternoon, this is Lisa speaking.
Perfect. Now imagine you call your friend. How would it sound? Let's listen.
Hi Lisa, this is Anna. How are you today?
Hi Anna. I'm good, just relaxing at home. What about you?
I'm fine. I just wanted to ask what time we're meeting tomorrow.
Oh, I think around 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. I'll bring coffee.
Great. You know, I always need my morning coffee.
Me too. Oh, by the way, should I pick you up or meet you there?
Maybe meet there, it's easier.
Okay, sounds good.
Thanks for calling, Anna. Talk to you tomorrow.
Sure. Have a great evening. Bye. Notice how natural that sounded. We use small, friendly phrases. I just wanted to ask, does that work for you? Sounds good. These make your phone talk more relaxed.
Exactly. Try repeating those phrases out loud. Let's do it together. I just wanted to ask. Does that work for you? Sounds good.
Now let's move to a formal situation. You call a company and want to talk to someone specific. You can say, hello, may I speak to Mr. Brown, please? Or, could I talk to the manager, please?
And the person might answer, I'm afraid he's not available right now. He's in a meeting. Can I take a message?
Let's listen to an example.
Good morning, Green Line Company. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Anna from StarTech. May I speak to Mr. Brown, please?
I'm afraid he's in a meeting at the moment.
Oh, okay. Do you know when he'll be available?
He should be free after 3 p.m. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell him that Anna from StarTech called?
Sure. May I have your phone number, please?
Of course, it's 555-9812.
Got it. I'll let him know you called.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too, goodbye. That was great. Let's break it down. The key expressions were, may I speak to? He's in a meeting. Would you like to leave a message?
And it's always nice to end politely. Thank you very much. Or have a nice day. Even small phrases make a big difference.
Now, sometimes nobody answers and you have to leave a voicemail. That can be scary for learners, right?
Yes, because you can't correct yourself. But here's a simple structure. Say your name. Say why you're calling. Leave your number. Say goodbye. Like this. Hi, this is Anna. I'm calling about our meeting. Please call me back at 555-1234. Thanks.
Let's listen to another example.
Hi, this is Anna. I'm calling about the delivery for tomorrow. Please call me back when you get this message. My number is 555-2391. Thank you and have a great day.
That's perfect, short, polite, and clear. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Please call me back when you get this message. My number is. Thank you and have a great day.
Now, the hardest part when you don't understand the other person. Don't say what or huh. That's rude.
Instead say, sorry, could you repeat that, please? Can you speak a little slower, please? I didn't catch that. The line is bad.
Let's listen to an example. Hi Lisa, can you hear me okay?
Not really, it's a bit noisy here. What did you say?
I said, I'll meet you at the cafe at 10.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sure, at 10 a.m. at the Blue Cafe.
Oh, okay. Got it. See you then.
Great. By the way, do you remember to bring the tickets?
Yes, I have them. Don't worry.
Perfect. Talk to you later.
Bye. Let's repeat the key survival phrases together. Can you hear me? Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Got it.
Nice. These are super useful not just for phone calls but also for meetings and online classes. Now let's talk about ending a call politely. Never just hang up, always close with a nice phrase.
If it's formal, thank you for your time. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye. If it's friendly, it was nice talking to you. Talk soon. Bye for now.
Let's hear how it sounds in conversation. Okay, Lisa, that's everything I wanted to ask.
Great. I'm happy we talked.
Yeah, it was nice hearing your voice.
Same here. We should do this more often instead of just texting.
Totally agree. Okay, I need to finish cooking dinner.
Me too. Let's talk soon.
Sure. Have a relaxing evening.
You too. Thanks for calling.
Bye for now.
Bye. So natural and friendly. Remember, smiling changes how your voice sounds. People can hear it.
Yes. Always smile when you speak, even on the phone. It makes your English sound warm and confident. Okay, time for a quick practice. We'll give you a situation. You think about what you'd say.
Ready? Let's go. You call your friend to ask about tomorrow. What do you say? Hi, this is Anna. How are you? You call a company and Mr. Brown isn't there. Could I leave a message, please? You don't understand something. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? You want to end politely. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day.
Great job, everyone.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. How to start a call. How to ask for someone. How to leave a message. How to understand and repeat. And how to end politely.
Now go practice. Call a friend in English and try these phrases.
Or leave a voice message in English. It's great practice.
Thanks for listening to the English Practice Podcast. Don't forget to follow us, share this episode with your friends, and tell us about your talking on the phone in the comments. Thanks again for joining us today.
Talk to you soon. Bye.